The credit card utility by Harvest Ventures allows users to accept and record credit card payments and authorizations in Macola. For companies that process a large number of transactions, the utility can bulk process multiple transactions from a single screen. The first step to using Harvest credit card utility is the initial setup. There are 3 tabs across the top representing different aspects of your credit card functionality. Taking a closer look at the first tab, Account Setup, in this area you'll map your various credit card accounts to the appropriate bank accounts and Macola accounts with currency, merchant, and transaction details. The second area is where you'll set up your users' roles and rights for the credit card module. By selecting an employee and placing a Y for yes or an N for no in the appropriate fields, you are granting or denying access to various functions of the credit card utility. This affects the visibility of related buttons and fields within the tool. This third section is where you'll set up your credit card merchant's details. Your merchant is the bank or company that processes the credit card payments. You can have multiple merchants set up in this module, but one must be specified as the default. Many customers choose to integrate the credit card utility into their order entry module within Macola. Integration with Macola allows you to easily enter a customer's credit card information against their account. From the OE module, users can run pre-authorizations and accept multiple credit card payments and multiple forms of payment against an order. The credit card utility can also be used as a separate application, as you see here. The tool is divided into 3 sections. This first section allows the user to filter orders that will be displayed for authorization or processing. You can filter results by order number or a range of order numbers, Macola order status, print batch ID, order date, payment terms. You can select your transaction type, and you can also select orders by their status, whether or not they're ready to be processed, completed, they're missing information, etc. By clicking Show Orders, the results will be displayed based on the criteria selected. The results are displayed in this second section titled To Be Processed. Once the payments are processed, the results of that procedure will show in the bottom portion of the screen. You can process individual transactions from here, just as we saw within Macola screens. To do this, you would select the transaction type Customer Payments. Select the customer here, which pulls from the Macola database. Select Stored Credit Card Data or manually complete the fields, and click Process Customers' Credit Cards. The option to apply the payment to a specific order is available if required. A popular feature of this utility is the ability to process credit card transactions in bulk. By selecting the appropriate criteria and clicking Show Orders, the results are displayed in the second section titled To Be Processed. As you can see, you are able to select all line items to be processed, or they can be selected individually by checking the box to the left of the line. These icons indicate whether there is enough information to process the credit card transaction, green being good and the red X indicating there is missing information. To process the selected transactions, you click Charge Credit Cards, and the results will be displayed at the bottom of the screen. The credit card processing utility is a custom tool developed by Harvest Ventures and comes complete with user help documentation. For more information, please visit our website at www.harvestvi.com.